Once upon a time, nestled in a cozy little town at the foot of a mountain, lived a curious girl named Lily. Unlike other children who loved playing tag or building sandcastles, Lily was fascinated by the clouds. She spent hours gazing at their fluffy shapes, imagining them as castles, dragons, and even friendly giants. One sunny afternoon, as Lily lay sprawled on the grass, a mischievous wind whisked her off her feet. She clung tightly to her straw hat as she soared higher and higher, until she landed with a soft plop on top of a giant marshmallow-like cloud. "Oh," Lily gasped, her eyes wide with wonder. The cloud was even softer than she imagined, and the view from above was breathtaking. Tiny houses below looked like dollhouses, and the trees were like green dots. Suddenly, a tiny voice squeaked, "Welcome to Cloudland, Lily." Lily looked around but saw no one. Then she spotted a fluffy, blue creature with sparkly wings peeking from behind a cloud puff. It had big, curious eyes and a friendly smile. "I'm Pip," the creature chirped, "a cloud critter. We live in these fluffy clouds and take care of the weather." Lily's heart pounded with excitement. She had discovered a secret world hidden in the sky. Pip told her about the different cloud critters, the fluffy cloud sheep who made the clouds soft, the playful rainbow sprites who painted the sky with colors, and the wise old storm giants who controlled the rain and thunder. But there was a problem. The grumpy Grumbles, who lived in a dark storm cloud, was stealing the cloud critters' magic dust, making the weather gloomy and unpredictable. Without the dust, the cloud critters couldn't do their jobs, and the world below would be in chaos. Determined to help, Lily teamed up with Pip and a group of brave cloud critters. Together, they embarked on a daring adventure to retrieve the stolen magic dust. They flew through wind tunnels, dodged lightning bolts, and even outsmarted Grumbles in a game of riddles. Finally, they reached Grumble's storm cloud and found him surrounded by piles of shimmering dust. Lily realized that Grumbles wasn't really mean, he was just lonely. He missed playing with other cloud critters and felt left out. Lily had an idea. She invited Grumbles to join their games and adventures. Grumbles, touched by their kindness, agreed. He returned the magic dust, and the skies cleared once again. From that day on, Grumbles became a friend, and Lily continued to visit Cloudland, playing with the cloud critters and keeping the weather sunny and bright. So, the next time you look up at the clouds, remember, there might be a whole world of adventure waiting for you, just like Lily's. Don't forget to subscribe for more Sky High stories.